Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. How to use apple cider vinegar's health benefits to your advantage. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is popular for its potential health benefits. Here's how you can use it to your advantage. Number 1. Support digestion. ACV may help improve digestion by increasing stomach acid production. How to use. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of ACV in a glass of water and drink it before meals. Benefit: may reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion. Number 2. Aid weight management. ACV can help with appetite control and potentially support fat metabolism. How to use. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons diluted in water before meals. Benefit: promotes satiety, leading to reduced calorie intake. Number 3. Regulate blood sugar levels. Studies suggest ACV may improve insulin sensitivity. How to use. Consume 1 to 2 tablespoons in water after high-carb meals. Benefit: may help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Number 4. Enhance skin health. Its antimicrobial and pH balancing properties are great for the skin. How to use. Dilute ACV with water, 1:3 ratio, and use it as a toner. Benefit: helps with acne, redness, and maintaining healthy skin. Number 5. Boost heart health. ACV may help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. How to use. Incorporate it into salad dressings or dilute in water. Benefit: supports cardiovascular health over time. Number 6. Improve hair health. ACV can restore shine and balance your scalp's pH. How to use. Rinse hair with a mix of 2 tablespoons of ACV and 1 cup of water. Benefit: reduces dandruff and leaves hair shiny. Number 7. Support immune health. ACV's antimicrobial properties may help boost immunity. How to use. Add it to herbal teas with honey and ginger. Benefit: helps fight colds and sore throats. Precautions. Always dilute ACV to prevent tooth enamel erosion and throat irritation. Avoid excessive use as it may cause low potassium levels. Consult a doctor before using ACV if you have existing medical conditions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, stay healthy, stay fit, and I'll see you in the next video.